What if you had a magical key that could connect you with your ancestors and ancestral knowledge to help expand the consciousness of all mankind, and especially yourself and your own life? Now, what if you could wield that magical wand to help and empower others? I'm Abiola Abrams, and I am here to talk to you about my new journey, which is the Secrets of the Ancestors Oracle Certification. I'm laughing at myself because I wanted to say extravaganza. This is a very exciting opportunity, and I am thrilled to be able to share it with you. I'm a bit loopy because I'm coming from a magnificent weekend in South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina, where I got to take the stage and work with thousands of incredible human beings all around the country, from all around the world, actually, on accessing their ancestral powers, their ancestral wisdom, their ancestral light, and to be able to heal generational curses and challenges and issues. This is the kind of work, the kind of magic, the kind of play, the kind of experience that you could have with an oracle deck. This is why every single of the 54 plus countries on the continent of Africa, every single one has a divination practice. So, who am I and why am I the person to be sharing this with you? Well, I'll share with you that 10 plus years ago, whoa, can't believe it's that long, when I created my very first deck, no one else in the space was doing what I do. There were, of course, luminaries like Doreen Virtue and Colette Baron Reed and Denise Lynn, maybe, a few different, Sonia Choquette, others, a handful of people who were creating oracles that work, which there's a distinction. There are now a glut of oracle decks on the market. It's a trendy thing. But a lot of those decks are not decks that work. And let me explain to you the difference. I'm an oracle deck collector, right? So I love the beauty of oracle decks, the physical nature of them, playing with oracle and tarot, in addition to being able to use them for therapeutic purposes for me and for my soulmate clients. So I have decks like the hip hop, Women in Hip Hop deck and the Buffy the Vampire Slayer deck, I think you can see up there, and, a couple of others. And this is just a small part of my collection. And a lot of those decks are for fun, but they don't work. My decks are decks that are a communication language between you and the divine, you and your ancestors, you and your highest self. And my decks are designed not to just help tell you happy, happy, joy, joy things all the time, but to help to take you on a journey and help you to know what you need to know. And so it is with this energy that I am offering, for the first time ever, my Secrets of the Ancestors Oracle certification. I just had the pleasure and the privilege about a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago or so, of completing the first group of women and other human beings that I led through a deck creation course. And that was so much fun. I'm looking forward to, and you should as well, the decks that are going to come out of that workshop. And I've also had the passion, pleasure, and privilege of leading a group through my African Goddess Rising Oracle deck certification, and folks are finishing up their certification work, and some have been certified already. And so that is really exciting, because if you are a spiritual teacher, a coach, a doula, a hairstylist. I'm naming just some of the wonderful professions of the people that went through these course journeys. An athlete, a scientist, a doctor, a lawyer. This is just, the sky is the limit these days, thankfully, for those of us who are wanting to add a spiritual component to the work that we do and being able to use Oracle within that. And so this really is an exciting opportunity. Not only am I going to help you to tap into your ancestors, but I'm going to give you concrete tools to be able to do this with others and help you to be able to go deeper into the world of Oracle and understanding the archetypal and symbolic languages there and communication, using it as a communication tool. And also, if you are wanting to be an Oraclepreneur and add this to your business, you will also get some advice and guidance in that way as well. I keep moving because I'm looking as I'm talking to you at some of my decks, and I'm like, oh, I forgot that one. I've got to add that one back into a current rotation. But I am thrilled at the fact that I manifested you and you manifested me to this sacred conversation. And if you are at all feeling as excited as I am about this upcoming journey, then you are in the right place. Say yes to yourself. Say yes to the transformation. And most importantly, say yes to your ancestors. You are their wildest dreams, and they dreamed this dream for us. We were born for a time such as this. I will see you inside the Secrets of the Ancestors Oracle certification. Oh, wait, this is important. You may be called to take this journey, like a lot of people in the African Goddess Rising Oracle certification course. You may be called to take this journey and not do the certification. Yeah, that's important to mention. You may want to just have this as a personal tool of empowerment and know how to use this deck and know how to use oracles for your own empowerment. And that's perfectly fine. You don't need to complete the certification at all if you are just wanting the knowledge for yourself. All right? Okay. I will see you on the other side. Sawubona. And that means we see you.